Okay, let's start. Okay, indices. Okay, this part is about indices. Okay, or we call it, sometimes we call it the power. Okay, like say this 2 cube, okay, 2 to the power of 3, we read it as 2 cube. It means 2 multiply itself by 3 times. Okay, that's why you are getting 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over here. It is not 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2, you get 8. Then 2 square, 2 to the power of 2, we read it as 2 square. It means 2 times 2, you get 4. 2 to the power of 1 means 2 times 2 multiply itself by 1 times, so we get 2. And then when 2 to the power of 0, okay, any number power 0, let's say 954 to the power of 0, you get 1. Even if x power 0, it will still get 1. Anything power 0, it is equals to 1. Okay, and then this one, let's say 2 to the power of 4. Okay, we have a name for this. This 2 over here, we call it the base. And the 4 over here, we call it the power, or we call it index. Right? And then next, this one, 2 to the power of negative 1. It means the reciprocal of 2. That's why you get half, 1 over 2. 2 to the power of negative 2, it means 1 over 2 square. 2 square means 2 times 2. That's why you get 1 over 4, a quarter. Then for 2 to the power of negative 3, it means 1 over 2 cube. So whenever you see the negative, it means a reciprocal. That means the numerator is 1, then the rest you put it in denominator. So 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Right? And then whenever, okay, index law for multiplications, as you can see here, c to the power of a times c to the power of b equals to c a plus b. Right? I give you in numbers. Example, let's say 3 square times 3 cube. According to this law, okay, these rules here, I should get 3 to the power of 5. Let's see why. Okay, this 3 square here means 3 times 3. This 3 cube here means 3 times 3 times 3. So in the end, if you remove the bracket here, it is 3 multiply itself by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. That's why you get 3 to the power of 5. Okay, this can only, you can only apply this rule when you have the same base. Okay, that's why just now I mentioned 2 cube. This one we call it the base. You can only apply this when you have the same base. Let's say if it is 3 square times 2 to the power of 4. So you can't just write 2 plus 4, 6. Let's say it is not this. It is also not this. Okay, you can only apply all these 2 rules when they have the same base. In this case, these 2 do not have the same base. You can't. Okay. So whenever it is negative, whenever it is divide, okay, you minus the power. So example, let's say 3 to the power of 5. Divide 3 to the power of 2. So if I rewrite this, it will be 3 to the power of 5 over 3 to the power of 2. So what this means is 3 multiply itself by 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 times 3. Right? So you can simplify 3 and 3, 3 and 3. In the end, you get 3 cubed. So it's the same as 3 to the power of 5 minus 2, which is 3 cubed. Okay? Only, okay, let me repeat again. Only applicable when you have the same base. Okay? Okay, let's say 4 to the power of 5. This is the base. Okay? It is the same when it is power negative. Okay? Look at the example here. So 6 to the power of negative 2 divided by 6 to the power of negative 7. It means 6 to the power of negative 2 minus negative 7. Negative, negative, minus, you get positive. So become 6 negative 2 plus 7, get 6 to the power of 5. Let's see whether it is correct or not. Okay. So 6 to the power of negative 2 divided by 6 to the power of negative 7. It is 1 over 6 squared divide 1 over 6 to the power of 7. Divisions of fractions is 1 over 6 squared times 6 to the power of 7 over 1. Then you get 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 times 6 to the power of 7 means 6 multiplied itself by 7 times. Then the denominator will be 6 times 6. Simplify. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 to the power of 5. Same answer with this. Any questions until here? If no question, then I will jump into the exercise. Okay. In this table, show some power to copy and complete the table, describe the pattern. Okay. So, Alvin, can you tell me 2 to the power of negative 4? What is the value?
Zero 0.0625.
Okay, 0.0625 or 1 over 16. Okay, it is actually means 1 over 2 to the power of 4, which is 1 over 16, which is 0.0625. Okay, 2 to the power of negative 3. Qiyang, can you tell me what is the value for this?
Uh, 1/8.
Yes, 1 over 8. This one means 1 over 2 cubed, which also means 1 over 8. If you want to change it to what do you call that? Decimal, it will be 0.125. Okay, 2 to the power of negative 2. Tashminran, can you tell me what is the value for this?
0.25.
Yes. Okay, this is 1 over 2 square, which is 1 over 4, which is 0.25. 2 to the power of negative 1. Gerlin, can you tell me what is the value?
Uh, 0.5.
Yes, this is 1 over 2. Give you 0.5. Alvin,